Alright, that's it. This is the old mount. I just took it out. I don't know if you can see there. This thing's fucking broken. It's a rubber seal. This one over here, I can't move it with my thumb. They're positioned the same way. Yet this one, I can move with my thumb. That one I cannot. This is what holds my engine into my fucking car. So, now I gotta put the other one in. This thing was a pain in the ass to get out right here. As you can see, everything's in the way. I don't know how I'm gonna get it back in. Yep, the easy part's over. I've just been jacking the engine up and down all day. Jack it up, jack it down. Somehow fit it in there. Stand by.